Hello, parents and students of future leaders. Welcome to our online distant learning. Today, it will be an introduction about how to access Microsoft Teams and how to download the desktop app. The first step is for us to open Google Chrome or any web browser. You double click on Google Chrome and then you will type in the address bar teams.microsoft.com. Then it will tell you to enter your username and your password given by the school. Then you click sign in and then you click on yes. This is the main page of Teams when you open it from the web browser. If in case you want to download the desktop app, on the left navigation bar, you will have an option for download desktop app. Downloading the desktop app is very useful because when you download the desktop app, you don't need to sign in every time. You don't need to put your username and your password every time, and you will automatically get notifications if there is any facilitator or teacher that uploaded any documents, uploaded any assignments. I will just wait for it to download. It will take some time. After it has done downloading, you will just double click here and then it will start to load. Automatically, it will create an iTop app and it will load. It will start to launch. And then it will ask you to put in your username, your student username that was already given to you. You type in your username and then It will ask you for your password. And then the same the same icons and the same page will show. But again, as I told you, the advantage of using the Microsoft Teams app is that you will only log in once. There is no need for you to log in every time and put your student ID and the password. I will be uploading, I will be also uploading other videos and creating other tutorials on how to access different parts or the different navigation uh, the different navigation tools in Teams. Please stay tuned and goodbye.